In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deal with loans in Xero in 5 minutes. By the end, you'll know how to set up a dedicated loan account in your chart of accounts and reconcile a loan transaction from your bank feed so it's recorded correctly as a liability, not income. Let's jump in. First, open your browser and head to the Xero login page. Click Login, enter your email and password, and sign in. If you use two-step authentication, complete that as well. Once you're in, you'll land on the Xero dashboard. This is your home base where you can see bank balances, quick links, and recent activity. We're going to start by creating the place where your loan balance will live, a liability account in your chart of accounts. From the top menu, click Accounting, then select Chart of Accounts. Here you'll see all the accounts that make up your general ledger. Click Add Account to create a new one. For the account type, choose a liability, so the balance sits on your balance sheet instead of flowing through to your profit and loss. Name the account Loans or something equally clear that you and your team will recognize. If Xero asks for an account code, choose one that fits your numbering pattern. Add a short description if you like, such as loan principal balance. You typically won't enable payments to this account because you don't pay suppliers directly from a liability account. When you're happy with the details, click Save. That's it. The shell that will track your loan principal is now set up. Next, let's record the actual loan money that hit your bank. From the top menu again, go to Accounting and then Bank Accounts. Choose the bank account where the loan was deposited and click Reconcile Items. You'll see your unreconciled bank feed transactions listed. Locate the loan transaction. This is usually a deposit for the loan proceeds, and select it. Now click Create. This opens the panel where you'll tell Xero what this money is, who it came from, and where it should be posted. Fill in the Who field with the lender's name so you have a clean contact trail. In the What and Why areas, add a clear description or reference such as loan proceeds along with any internal notes that will help you or your accountant remember the context later. The most important part here is the account you choose for the line item. From the account dropdown, select the loan account you just created in your chart of accounts. This tells Xero to increase your loan liability instead of treating the deposit as income. Double check the amount and tax setting as needed for your region. When everything looks right, click OK to complete the reconciliation. What you've done behind the scenes is simple but powerful. You've linked the bank deposit to your liability account, increasing the loan balance on your balance sheet while keeping your profit and loss accurate. If you're ever unsure, you can view the chart of accounts to see the updated loans balance or run a balance sheet report to confirm the liability has increased. A few quick tips as you work. Keep your description specific so you can search and audit easily later. Attach any loan agreement or supporting document to the transaction for easy reference. If your loan has multiple drawdowns, repeat the same process for each deposit so all principal is captured in the loans account. And when you start making repayments, you'll typically split those between principal, which reduces this loans account, and interest, which goes to an interest expense account. That keeps your financial statements clean and informative. And that's all there is to it. You logged in, created a clear liability account for your loan, and reconciled the loan deposit correctly by posting it to that account. With this workflow in place, your bank feed stays tidy, your loan balance is tracked accurately, and your reports reflect the true financial position of your business. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section as you follow along in your own Xero file.